This exercise will be used to target the legs, but the way we perform it will mostly emphasize the glutes. Step 1. Setup. In this video, I'll be using a decline leg press, but you can apply a similar form to a horizontal leg press if that's all you have available. First, we need to set up the machine properly, starting with the backrest. You want to move this back often to the lowest setting or just 1 to 2 notches up from the bottom. Too high and you will limit the range of motion. Next, set up the foot plate starting position. You want to adjust it so that you only need to extend your legs slightly to be able to release the weights. Lastly, if your leg press has safety pins, adjust them so that they will be able to catch the weight at the bottom position if you are unable to lift it. Once you have that set up, plant your non-working leg on the ground and place the foot of your working leg relatively high up on the foot plate, around the middle of it or higher. You can adjust this if needed after I show you the proper form. Step 2. Execution. Unlock the safety pins, extend your leg to release the weights, and brace your core as if someone were about to punch your stomach, which should flatten your lower back against the pad. From here, lower the weight by bending your leg. Continue lowering the weight until your knee makes a 90-degree angle. At this point, your shin should be straight on top of your foot. This is the bottom position. From here, to better engage the glutes, think about pushing through your heel as you push the weight back up. Continue pushing until your leg is almost fully straightened, and then repeat for another rep. Finish your reps on one leg, take a minute to rest, and then repeat on the other leg. Step 3. Common mistakes. Avoid setting up with your feet too low on the foot plate such that at the bottom position, your shin bends forward towards your toes, as this will favor the quads more. Instead, try moving your feet slightly higher such that your shin is on top of your foot at the bottom of each rep. Avoid letting your knees cave in as you press. Instead, keep them in the same direction as your toes. Avoid fully locking out your knees at the top position. Instead, keep your knees slightly bent before going into the next rep.